Cleveland Marshall gave me an opportunity to work with great professors, not only great academics, but also folks who had experience in the real world as practitioners. Uh, and my well, the reason I got into law school is I was passionate about helping people. I was passionate about doing something that I know is going to make a difference in people's lives. And at the same time, I wanted to use all of the experience and education that I had thus far. So patent law was a great choice because to be a patent lawyer, you need to have some sort of a science or engineering background. And being someone who had a computer science undergraduate degree and worked for several years in information technology, I felt the combination of law and patents and technology was a great fit. And my way of helping someone make a better product, offer a better service, and just overall just have a better impact on society. There's no single experience, I would say, that defined my law school experience. I believe it's the totality of all of the experiences that Cleveland Marshall gives you over those 3 years that make you prepared and well prepared to be a great lawyer. Just a couple of things I think would come out right away. One was the trial advocacy course, which helped students go through the entire trial from the pre-trial discovery phase all the way through the actual trial. And the other one was legal writing. As basic as it sounds, it's actually a really important skill. And the full 1-year legal writing course, I think, really helps define a good lawyer at Cleveland Marshall. From what I know so far, I think there are 3 things that can help you make a good lawyer. Number 1 should be that you need to have good communication skills of both kinds. Number 2, you need to have good subject matter knowledge of the area of practice that you want to practice in or you are practicing in. And if you're rather new, and if you don't have the time, if you obviously hadn't had the time to build up an expertise, you at least need to have a lot of curiosity and a lot of ability to go out and reach out for information. And finally, I think the most important thing is you need to understand your client, and you need to get to know your client. And by that, I don't mean, take your client for lunch or dinner. That's important too, but I think what's more important is understanding your client's business, understanding what makes them tick, understanding what makes them excited, understanding what keeps them up at night. Those are the things. If you're able to get in and get that understanding of your client and your client's business, and that makes for a great lawyer. I'm Krishna Grandi. I work as an associate at Calfee, Halter, and Griswold, and my areas of specialty are patent law and information technology law.